Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to make the Google Drive file or folders accessible to others or shareable with others. If you do not make the Google Drive file or folder accessible or shareable, nobody can access to the file. We will at first check it, and afterwards we will make the Google Drive file or folder accessible so that a particular person or group of people or everyone can access to the file. Okay, let's start. I'm using Google Chrome. I'm opening it. Now I'm going to Google Drive. You can go to Google Drive in different ways. In the address bar, you can write drive.google.com, or in the right top corner you will get this dot sign, and you can click this dot sign, and here you will get Google Drive. This is Google Drive. If you cannot see, please scroll down or up, you will get it. This is Google Drive. You can click here, or manually you can write the address in the address bar and please press enter from the keyboard. If you are not logged in, you have to give your ID and password to get logged in. I am already logged in. I can share a file or even a folder. Now I will test what happens if I don't make the Google Drive file or folder shareable, but I am giving the link. What happens? I am sure that nobody can get access. But for testing it, I am going to incognito mode. Now I am pasting it from my keyboard, Ctrl+V, yes, then enter. It requires my sign in ID and password. Okay, I am giving ID. This is my ID. Next, or in Bangla Paraborti, then password, then next, or in Bangla Paraborti, I am clicking on it. See here, I have given my ID and password, but as an outsider, I am not getting access to the file or folder. See, it is written access denied because the file was not shareable. That is the problem. Nobody in the whole world can access to your file or folder if you don't make it accessible or shareable. Okay, I am going back to my regular file. See here. Now I am making it shareable or accessible to others. Okay, right click on it, then click share. Here, get link. Please click on it. Here, you will get shareable option. The shareable option is restricted. I am clicking drop down button. Here, restricted or anyone with the link. But if you use G Suite package, then in the middle of these two ones, you will get your institution name. Okay, I am making it shareable with everyone. I am checking this one. Yes, see here, anyone with the link, that means anyone on the internet with this link can view. Please click drop down here. You can get different options. Anyone can be viewer, anyone can be commenter, anyone can be editor. I am selecting this one only, viewer. Anyone can view my file. Then I am copying the link, then done. Okay, now I am going to the same incognito mode. There is incognito mode. I am pasting it for my keyboard, Ctrl+V, then enter. See here, my file has been shared. This is the file, PDF file. As an outsider, I am getting access to this file because this file is now shareable. Okay, I am going back to my Google Drive. Now I am going to show you how to make the Google Drive folder shareable. Suppose text document, this folder I am going to share, but before that let me check it. What are the items in it? I am double clicking on it. There is other folder. Again there are some files. Okay, I am going back. I can make this Google Drive folder shareable. Okay, right click on it, then click share, then click on get link. Here the folder is restricted. Please click here. Now I'm selecting this option, anyone with the link. Please wait. Then I'm copying the link and clicking done. I am going back to the incognito mode. Now in the address bar, I am pasting the copied address. Then enter. See, under the text form, these were the files, and all these files have been shareable. I am clicking on it. Please wait. Yes, this is the file. I am closing it. Say this is other file. I'm clicking on it. Yes, this is other file. So I'm getting access to all types of file. Now I'm going to the Google Drive. In this tutorial, we have already learned how to make Google Drive file or folder shareable. Before giving the link to others, we have to make the file or folder shareable. That we have already learned in this tutorial. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you everybody. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Don't forget to click on the bell icon just beside the subscription button so that you can get update of any video or tutorial. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.